In today's video, I am going to teach you how to replace the campaign list in Zoho with a new list in CRM. This process is useful when you have updated subscriber information and you need your Zoho campaigns mailing list to reflect the latest contacts. The goal is simple. You will open your mailing lists in Zoho campaigns, remove the old campaign list, and then import your new subscriber list from Zoho CRM or from a CSV file. First, go to Zoho Campaigns and open your mailing lists. As you land on the Zoho Campaigns area, look for a section labeled Mailing Lists, or something that groups your lists together. This is where all of your campaign mailing lists are managed. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct module, because Zoho sometimes organizes features across different tabs. Once you are in the mailing list area, you will see the list of existing campaign lists. This is the workspace where you will make the replacement. Next, select and delete the old campaign list. When you locate the old campaign list that you want to replace, click it or use the selection option available in the interface. Pay close attention to the name or description of the list so you delete the right one. It helps to cross-check that this is truly the older list and not a different list you still need. After you select the old list, find the delete action. Zoho may ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm only if you are certain. Deleting the old campaign list ensures that your next campaigns do not pull data from outdated subscribers, and it keeps your list management clean. Now you will import your new subscriber list from Zoho CRM or via a CSV file. In the Zoho Campaigns Mailing Lists area, look for an Import option. This is typically labeled something like Create or Import List or Import Subscribers. Click into that option so you can choose your source. At this point, you will choose either Zoho CRM as the source or a CSV file. If you are importing from Zoho CRM, select the option that connects to CRM data. You may be asked to choose which CRM list, module, or segment you want to use. Select the correct one that contains your updated subscribers. Make sure the contacts match what you intend to email, especially if you use fields like status or consent. Once you choose the correct CRM source, continue through the prompts so Zoho can map the data properly. If you are using a CSV file instead, choose the CSV import option. Then you will upload your file from your computer. Before you finalize the import, review the import settings. Zoho often asks you to map CSV columns to subscriber fields. This mapping is important because it ensures the email addresses and other details are placed into the correct fields. If your CSV includes columns such as name or email, confirm that each column is assigned to the right field. If there is any mismatch, adjust it before you proceed so you avoid missing or incorrect subscriber information. Once you have selected the source and confirmed the import settings, start the import process. Zoho may display an importing progress indicator. After it finishes, check that the new mailing list appears in your mailing lists area and that it contains the expected number of subscribers. If the interface provides a way to view the list, open it briefly to confirm the data looks correct. This quick verification step helps you catch any issues early, such as empty fields or an unexpected import. Finally, you are set to use the new campaign list for your next Zoho campaigns send. At this stage, your old list is deleted, and your new list is imported and ready. Take a moment to ensure you are looking at the new list in the mailing list screen so you know you are working from the correct dataset moving forward. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.